Hey, do you have a fetish for nice pots and pans that are always shiny just like me and you keep collecting them? Ow, but what is that? Sometimes our pots and pans can look like this. And today what I have for you is just the trick and one product, no, this is not a sponsored post, on how to make our pots and pans really shiny. So this thing is called a cold degreaser. I know it also comes in a hot degreaser formula. So for this one, you don't have to warm up your pots or pans. You just flip them over on the side that are totally loaded with grease and cooking scuff marks, and you spray it generously. Coat it really well. So I have two pans that I'm doing right now. One is a little bit older, the stains are older, and one pan is relatively new. I bought it about 3 months ago. Now once I've sprayed it and all the foam is kind of covering the area, I will go in with a brush and really spread it out nicely with a very light hand. I didn't wear gloves for this step, but I realized that I should have. So please don't make that mistake. Wear your gloves, wear your mask, and do this because the fumes can get a little intense. And keep your ventilation on or exhaust fan on, or do this near a window. So with a very gentle hand, just spread out everything and make sure that the foam is covering most of the areas that you're trying to address. You see that drip that we are catching in the sink is all the gunk that is actually dissolving and coming down. See that? You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, make sure you get into the crooks and crannies and get it in there. So after about 7 to 10 minutes, just take the same brush and then really go in a little bit aggressively and scrub it out. You'll see that all the grease marks and all the trapped oil and all these black marks are going to start releasing from the surface pretty effortlessly. If you don't have a brush like this, you can always use a steel wool pad like a Brillo or a SOS pad, and that also does wonders. I had to do everything with one hand, so I actually did that off camera, but it's definitely something that you can do. So just a little bit of elbow grease, but it really cooperates and it loosens it up, so it's very easy to work through with this. And that pretty much completes all the arm power that I need to put into this project. Now we're going to jump in with a quick rinse and see, voila. See how cool and clean that is? Oh my God. The last time I saw it this clean was actually when I bought it. So yes, it gives me so much satisfaction to see that all the grime and the grease is gone. The inside, thankfully, was not really that bad. Now, if you have a non-stick pan, try not to spray this thing on the non-stick surface because I think it will pull it off and damage it. So I only use this for the bottom of my pan. Now see, this pan is the older one and you can see that one application was not enough. So I may have to do this maybe once or twice again. I'll repeat the process so that all these stubborn marks will come off next time. But the newer pan actually responded really well, and all I'm doing is just giving it a quick rinse in normal warm water to reveal the actual bottom of the pan. And then a quick trip into the dishwasher, and that's it. We are ready to use it for another few days, and then it's nice and shiny like new. I hope you like my kitchen tip. It was not related to cooking, but then again, you know, this is the part of cooking that we all need to take care of. To take care of our pots and pans and make sure that we get the most bang for our buck. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you real soon in another video. Take good care. Bye.